y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know y'all looking at my braids like, oh yeah, girl. So if you seen the last video, you know I attempted to do these braids, feed-in braids myself. Didn't come out too bad. Hold on a second, y'all. I said I'm on a video rapping. Sorry about that. I swear my kids never want or need me until I'm doing something, for God's sakes. Anyway, yeah. So I finished. I added these little pieces on. So for you back here, the back, of course, dip the ends. But that's not what I'm coming to you guys for today. You notice the title. This is a product review on one of my products that I sell on my website. That's also available for pickup and same day delivery if you're in the Broward or Miami area. It is my Wig Mannequin blow dry head. Now you're like, wait, what? Yes, you heard me right. It's a Wig Mannequin blow dryer. Here you go. Matter of fact, I'll put up even more for you guys. The stand is also available on the website. I'll leave a link in the description. The blow dryer, I have the different model. I have the red one for this one, not the black. So if you want this particular blow dryer, we only have it in red. But this is the Wig Mannequin. So as you see, it looks just like a mannequin head. The only difference is, of course, you have these little hooks that holds the blow dryer. So this is what it looks like without the blow dryer in it. You place whatever blow, you do not have to have this Baby Bliss Ceramic Extreme. This sucker is not cheap. This is just the blow dryer I use because I love Baby Bliss, and of course I sell it, so why not have it? So you can put any blow dryer in here. Works perfectly fine. As long as it blow dries your hair good, you're good. You don't want to put it on hot though. You want to put it on warm at the most. If you want to put it on high, that's fine. But don't put it on hot because it's going to get a little too hot. And you always want to pull your wig as far forward as possible because as you see, it's holes right here too. I usually pull it a lot more forward, especially so it can get the back of the hair. If you have long wigs that you're trying to dry, a quick little tip, pin it up in the back. So I have a clip right here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's just a little, matter of fact, I'll just take it out. It doesn't come with the blow dryer. It's just something I use, a little hack that I use to make sure my long hair, because this one is about 24 inches. This is also available on the website. This is a frontal and 3 bundles off of the website, 24 inches Brazilian. Don't ask me why I closed my eyes when I did that because I had to actually remember. But so, and I just highlighted this wig for like the 3rd time. So I'll show you guys the back of it. Bring her up closer. She looks a little orangish. There she goes. So I just toned her up a bit, gave her a little bit more color. And she needed to dry. So for this, all you need is your Wig Mannequin dryer, your stand to put her on, your handy dandy blow dryer. You want to take the hook clip, you can see it here, put this one behind the blow dryer, and the first hole right here in the front on the side is where you want to hook them at. Now for this one, this is what you use to hold the wig. So you pull it around the same way so that the wig does not blow off. And just hold it in the corners. Pull the hair forward. Now I'm going to clip this back up. There we go. Doesn't have to be perfect. See, just put it up a little bit. Let's see if I can bring her a little bit more forward. There we go. And you just turn the baby on. Usually, depending on which wig, how wet your wigs are when you put it on here, and the length of them depends on how long it's going to take for it to dry. This particular wig, I've dried it on here before. It took it about 20 minutes. 25 minutes at the most. Mind you, I don't have to sit here and hold this. It's the absolute best. You don't have to sit up here and hold and blow dry your wigs. You don't have to wait for them to dry the next day. And you don't have to worry about the heat damage, because the heat is not necessarily getting all over and directly on the hair. It's literally blowing through these little holes and going over, all over. It's not focusing on one area. And always use a oil, and it'll help to keep your wigs from getting too dry. And you don't leave the wig on there either. Listen, I had one girl left, forgot her wig on there for about an hour. By the time she got back, it was super crunchy. Don't do that. It is still heat. Same way you can heat damage your real hair, you can heat damage this wig, okay? So don't leave it on there forever. 35 minutes tops, unless it's a really dense wig. Like if you got a 200% dense wig, this one is about a 160. Probably not even that. It's probably about 180 at the most. 20-25 minutes for this. Anything over 180, you're probably going to hit the 30-minute range. But I'm going to go ahead and let my baby finish drying. I mean, I'm not going to get ready to wear her right now because your girl got the braids, but I like to keep my wigs backed up, so as soon as I need one, it's available. So the link for all the products will be listed in the description. Don't forget to follow your girl at heavenly_beauty_supply_store on Instagram, and Heavenly Beauty on Facebook. And don't forget to shop with your girl. 10% off your first orders when you sign up for the email list. I hope y'all have a great day. Y'all like this device? Check it out. See you later. Bye.